Okay lang, ayaw yung bumaba.
Ayaw niya bumaba.
Hello guys, nandito kami sa Kalisa. Trainers namin.
So this is the oldest stone church in the Philippines. It only survived during battle.
So this is the oldest church here in the Philippines, guys.
Just hold you, tease you, squeeze you, tell you what's been on my mind.
So hello guys, this is the oldest church here in Manila, in the Philippines. So pasok tayo. Yeah, this is the oldest church. So tingnan natin sa loob.
Mistakes were made between us two, and we showed in your eyes that night. Even said some things weren't true. Watch you go, and haven't seen my girl since then. Why can't
So
it
if
be
you have a problem with boss, you should work. Don't let.
Prison cell.
During Japanese occupation, at last converted to Italy.
Ito rin ini shops here. Philippine University.
Anything I'll do for you. So let me give my number. Can you be my commando?
You see that the children, many children, so live in USA.
Oh, right here. Lyceum of the Philippines.
Lyceum, yes. Lyceum of the Philippines University. Student dormitory.
Alright, this is dorm. So this is the student area.
Yes, student area. So you know, sir, one of the best legacy of the Americans, McDonald's. Second best legacy, Starbucks. Everywhere.
Yeah. Starbucks everywhere. Hello guys, this is the immigration. Here in Manila. Big building there. It's the Bureau of Immigration.
Yes, so if you want, extend your visa, you go there.
Alright. Yeah. Is it immigration? difficult Manila. This is the old Manila, guys.
Yes, this is the old Manila.
Old Manila.
So originally before, no Makati, no Paranaque, no
Yeah.
Quezon City. So only Manila before, here, Intramuros.
Yeah. So, nandito kami sa Old Manila. So, ikot-ikot lang tayo, guys. So, this is Old Manila.
I wanna be your soldier.
That's our driver. And what's he called, the horse?
Joel and John Lloyd.
John Lloyd, the horse called John Lloyd. And this is another John Lloyd as well. Joel. Okay. Thank you, Kuya. Bye-bye. Guys, this is more street view. Hello, this is the Casa de Manila, guys. Sala, Pilipinas. This is a museum. So, ito yung ano guys, Casa de Manila. Ticket booth. Museum. Yeah. Guys, papasok tayo sa Cathedral of Manila. So, ito siya. Cathedral of Manila. So, pasok tayo sa loob. So, ito ang loob ng Cathedral Manila. So, ito guys. Yan. So, maganda din siya. So, hindi na ako magpa-picture-picture. Mag-ano na lang, mag-video na lang ako guys. So, ito yung Cathedral de Manila. So, ito tayo sa gitna. Nandito na si Daddy Cole. Uupo na daw siya. Ayan. So, that's quite nice. So, ito lang ganda guys. Diba? Ayan, namatay na yung ilaw. So, ikot ko kayo guys. So, ito sa loob pa ng katedral. So, yan yung ano nila, organ sa taas. Yan yung organ nila. Ayan. So, ikot-ikot. So, ito yan. Hello guys, this is Memorial Manila 1945. Yung mga innocents na ano. So, this is the Battle of Manila.
Ano,
1945.
Hawaii sa United States bago sila lumusong sa Pilipinas.
So, ito yung entrance ng donjon guys. Yun, how tiny. Very, very tiny. Hindi ka makatayo actually. So, that's entrance. Yan. Guys, ano tayo, pasok tayo dito sa donjon of Fort Santiago. Good morning. Hello guys. Nandito tayo sa loob ng donjon. So, very, very narrow door. your head. Yan. Ito yung dungeon guys. Dito sa Port Santiago. So dito can keep yung mga American at saka Filipino ng Japanese. So ito yung isang Filipino na ginkeep ng Japanese guys dito sa dungeon. At saka tingnan nyo yung tingnan nyo yung door guys, oh. Ganon kaliit guys, oh. So ganon kaliit yung door, oh. Yan. Pumapasok si Daddy Cole nakaupo. So ito yung torture chamber nila, torture chamber. So yan. Dad, you want to come in, Dad? Dad. So, tingnan yung door guys, so very very low. Yan si Daddy Cole. So what's your step? So ito yung ang baba ng ceiling. So this is the civilians. So ito guys, so tingnan nyo guys. So this is the one here. Yan o. Yan guys, very brutal. Yan. So ito guys. Tingnan nyo guys yung ceiling, yung ceiling, very very low. Okay na. So dito din keep yung mga American at saka Filipino ng Japanese soldiers. Yes,
height of the walls. Now, so it's very possible for the flavor to overflow inside.
what's your step now? What's your step? So, dito na tayo. Exit na tayo sa dungeon guys. Yan, exit way na tayo. Nandito na tayo guys sa Pasig River. So ito yung Pasig River dito sa Manila. Tapos ito yung view. Dito yung mga high-rise building. Yan. So Pasig River. Yan. So nandito kami sa Port Santiago. Nag-ikot-ikot guys. So ito yung view dito sa Port Santiago. Ito yung mga buildings. Yan. Hello guys. Ito yung view ng hotel pag night. Ito yung yung Rizal Park Hotel. So
We go to a
ganda.
party
You know, puro Christmas lights.
and
Yeah, Christmas
everyone turns
lights.
to see
It's a little bit
this beautiful lady
So, dito pasok tayo guys.
who's walking around
This is the
with
entrance.
me.
Yan.
And then she asks me,
So, lumabas kami, kumain kami sa
do you feel
Harbor View
alright?
restaurant.
And I say,
So, ito yung view guys ng hotel
I
namin.
feel
So, nandito kami for 4 days.
tonight.
4 nights. Yan. So,
I feel
very
wonderful because I see
ito na yung loob guys.
in your
Chandeliers
eyes
on the Christmas light.
and
Christmas
the
tree.
wonder
Yan.
I belong.
So, ito yung loob ng hotel.
Is that you just
Ganda
don't
siya.
realize how much
So, ito yung
I love
Regal
you.
Palace restaurant. Yan. So, ito yung stairs. Paakyat. Yan. Nandyan lang kami sa second floor. So, ito din yung kabilaan. Ito din yung sa kabilang stairs. Yan. restaurant. Yan ang ano namin, yung breakfast. Yan.
Your smile lit
Yeah,
up
ito lang
like a
siya. Ang ganda
sunrise
guys.
glow.
Oh. Yan,
Touch
nasa taas.
so soft where the
Yan,
seasons
dyan
flow.
lang. Ang ganda.
We met where the stars take their
Christmas
flight.
tree.
Every moment
Christmas tree
with
nila.
you feels
Sobrang laki.
just right. Whisper your name in the
So,
rush of the
going up.
breeze. Love like an ocean.
So, ito yung stairs nila guys.
Heartbeats
Going up.
sink into this melody. You and I
Up, up. So, this is second floor.
wild and
That's it.
free.
Or second floor. So, la 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 la.
Hands collide like waves on the shore.
So,
Every touch leaves me
Ito yung
craving
lahat.
more.
yung
Eyes
hall
meet,
dito sa second floor.
worlds colors
Ito tayo
collide
guys.
with you. Love's where
This is
I
more.
reside. Whisper your name in
Ganda
the
ng
rush
candle.
of the breeze. Love like an ocean
Yan,
rippling
oh.
with ease.
Ang ganda ng kwarto ng
Heartbeats
ano nila
sink
guys.
into this
Ang ganda ng hotel.
You
So, ito
and
na yung
I
Christmas tree.
wild and
Yan sa
free.
baba.
Even in dark
Yan
skies,
ang view sa baba.
your light remains.
Yan yung hagdan. At saka isa yung hagdan din dito.
Ease my pain.
Yan.
A rhythm of
Yan, ang ganda ng chandelier.
no need to pretend. This love story will never end.
Ito yung,
Whisper your name
yan. Here is my blind date. He's waiting for me. Hello, blind date. Alright, let's go. So, ang ganda ng ano guys. It's very grand. So, lot of lights. There's upstairs as well. So, it's quite grand. There's a lot of lights there, isn't it? Look. So, dito tayo. Okay guys, bye-bye.
Your smile lit up like a
It's alright.
sunrise glow.
It's okay.
Touch
Just only the
so
stupid
soft where the seasons flow. We met
guys,
where
this is
the
our,
stars take their
dinner.
flight.
Fresh steamed
Moment
fish
with you feels just
and
right.
kangkong
Whisper
with
your
garlic.
name in the rush of the breeze.
Garlic rice.
Love